All right, so it's my latest purchase, 65 1500. Throw some leftover wheels from another Z I did. Just put them on, see how they fit, and they're way too big. I dare not even try to put them on the back. So the car is really clean. This is original paint. I washed it, and it has a few scratches, and you can clearly see straight to metal. Original paint. Body cancer is next to none. It has a few surface spots. I hit them with a screwdriver. The metal's all solid underneath. Very nice original car. It's almost too nice for what I wanted to do to it. So now it's leaving me stuck in a bad position. White interior has the top mechanism. Floors are good. I usually hear about these being straight rust buckets. And it has every original part. How about that? The rear drums are off, but it has the build-up form in the trunk. That's the pulley. Original air cleaner. It has a little gas fuel filter. I guess that's fuel filter. Shit, I don't know what it is. It's a dirt dauber nest, not rust. Probably should clean that up. It's a clean car. Great body to start with for what I wanted to do, but I think I would be doing a disjustice to history to put a late model motor in it. You know, I wanted to do it like my Z-Sun, but I even got the motor to run. Go figure. Did a little cleaning to it. Got the motor to run. All original. Good. Show no signs of accident damage or anything, which is really good. Yeah. I planned on doing a KA24DE and carbonate. At the SR, and you know, it's ways to carbon, but it's a lot of work. Either way, I was gonna go with a late model motor with carbs. The car is really clean, so I don't know. May try to recoup my money, sell it, or just do a stock restoration all the way down to the baby blue. Screwdriver. Show you the rust spot I saw. You see my bootleg gas can. I cut the fuel lines on it, so that way I wouldn't be pulling rust into it from the gas tank. So where is it at? Right here. Yeah. thing here. Solid. There was another, I think, on the other side. Where was it? Maybe not. I have the radiator. So the story is, the guy had it and he went to start it up. This is in the mid-70s. These are extra wheels. These are factory wheels in the factory radiator. But he went to start it up because he only used it to take his wife to the outdoor theater. And he went to start it up, and apparently there was a cat resting, and the fan threw the cat to the radiator. And since he was up in the mountains in Arkansas, he said it was hard for him to get a radiator, and so he ended up never finishing and fixing the car. And that, I touched it like a dummy, and it feels like fur, melted fur. So that's a heck of a story. I'm always skeptical when it comes down to original mile cars. But the car shows 47,000. I hate to be a skeptic, but I mean, hey, sometimes the body won't lie for the car. Clean car. I'm gonna put the other wheel on, move it back in. I just needed to clean it up. Needs a windshield. 65s aren't really that hard to find, so it's a clean car. All in all, I don't think it'd take much to rebuild it, but I don't think it needs to be a chop job like what I want to do. Late model, built for sport, not for. I'm really torn, man. Nice car. Not everybody understands what it means for a car to be too nice to tear up. Some things need to be remembered. This is a great car that can be remembered easily. You know, if it was one of those cars where you were missing all the chrome and motor wasn't in it, dash was gone, had rust everywhere, yeah, it's time to, you know, make some changes to it. But wasn't the issue on this car, man. It's all there. Any part you take off, you can replace. My first order of business would be to replace the wiring harness. It looked like some rats chewed up by the fuse box. And I have to say, this is the dinkiest fuse box I've ever seen. Look at that. A whole 4 fuses for the car. Go with it. The wiring diagram for the car is super simple. And then the wiring for the car, for the complete car, is right at $400. So that's if you go back OEM. You can go aftermarket with an easy wiring harness, which is what I was going to do, for $140, and that's all you need. Simple restoration was the plan, but I wanted to do aftermarket. I mean, I wanted to look really sporty. Some might say borderline ricey, but whatever. It is what it is. I wanted to do it in ivory, white, with burgundy interior. And I was thinking about doing all the chrome and strips that I kept in like a flat burgundy or something. Or maybe like a flat bronze. And I really like the ivory white color. I mean, it has the whole top mechanism. Also has the top. I mean, not that the original top's any good anymore, but it has. It's just the fact that it had it. The top clips, top snaps, lockdown bar. This originally connects to the top, but I put it up there. So no need to have it laying around. Really nice car. So I'll probably end up selling it. Or if I can find somebody who has a project that they were trying to get back to stock, and it was too hard for them, or they're missing too many pieces, and their body's just as good as mine, I wouldn't mind doing a trade on that. That would be a lot better, and then that way we both get what we want. Yeah, cool. Thanks for checking though. If I keep it, it's gonna look really good. It's gonna look really good. I mean, I hate to do blasphemy and tear it up though. Thanks for checking.